Keeping your DHL Express account number safe from malicious threats is one of our top priorities. DHL eSecure is an advanced security feature that stops unauthorized access to your account. DHL eSecure can save you and your colleagues time by automating approvals for trusted partners and rejections from unknown and untrustworthy sources. If an account is e-secured and an unauthorized user attempts to use the account administrator will receive an email like this. To approve the request, follow the instructions. To reject the request, the user can either follow the steps described above or click the Reject button. To approve or reject the request from MyDHL Plus, click the link in the email. After selecting the correct country, you can log into MyDHL Plus. This needs to be the same email address that received the email with the request. Navigate to My Shipment Settings and click Access eSecure. If you can't see this option, the MyDHL Plus account login is not an eSecure account administrator. Further administrators can be added by an existing eSecure account administrator if this is required. In the eSecure section, you can see your pending requests. Tick the box next to the user or user names and click the Approve or Reject button. You can tick more than one user's requests to approve or reject in bulk. Once you have successfully completed the action, you'll see a green banner. The requester is now able to log in and use the account in MyDHL Plus immediately. They will receive an email to confirm that their request to use the account has been approved or rejected. Here, you can also view all approved and rejected requests, should you need to review these at any point. Click Customer Administrator from the left sidebar menu. At the bottom of the screen, you can see your e-secured account numbers. To add an administrator, select the account and click Add. Enter the information and click Save. Next, the new account administrator will receive a Welcome to DHL eSecure email. If this is their first time using MyDHL Plus, they will receive a login and will need to create a password. My Domain is a new feature that helps our customers to strengthen the controls when receiving requests to access and use their DHL account. Click on My Domain from the left sidebar menu. Activating My Domain allows you to configure who you receive requests from and automatically reject requests based on email domains. The account administrator still needs to approve requests from a user within one of the domains. To add an email domain that you would like to receive requests from, click on Add, enter the information and click Save. Read the Confirmation pop-up and click either OK or Cancel. The domain now appears in the list. eSecure provides an option to automate accepting requests from certain email domains. When a request is pre-approved, it is not sent to the account administrator. This saves time by automatically accepting requests from a trusted email domain, such as @testcompany.com, rather than having to authorize several different email addresses. Click on Authorized Domain and click on Add. Enter the information and click Save. Now, anyone with an email address ending in @testcompany.com is authorized to use the account. For more help using eSecure, please visit our account protection FAQs.